Hey guys, it's Charlene. How are you feeling? I'm feeling great. It's springtime, so I won't complain. I hope you're doing well. I hope you're being crafty. So I was in the Dollar Tree the other day and I saw the numbers, the farmhouse numbers, and I got excited and picked up some. And I happened to see this napkin holder. And I was like, oh my God, let me paint this in a faux enamelware look, add the number to it. And this is going to be a cute farmhouse, shabby chic feel. And I'm going to use these outside when I finish doing my backyard. But I thought, how cute. And you know what I love about this look? You paint it, distress it, and you're going to see some of the methods I use to do distressing. It's so simple and it's affordable. Anybody can do it. So I'm taking that tag that was on the napkin holder and I'm actually painting it so that it can be the supporting backdrop for my number that I'm just going to hot glue on there. Right? I love this idea of reusing what you have, repurposing. You know, I'm going through my garage. So some things, obviously, I have, like this chalkboard paint. I have a bunch of it. So I try to use it as much as I can when I'm crafting so I can get rid of it. Because honestly, I have 1, 2, 3 walls of chalk paint in my house. So one large wall in my daughter's room that she wrote all this script over. It looks so pretty. And then, well, it was my daughter's old room. It's not my son's room. We got to change that. But anyway, and then in my kitchen, I have the 2 walls as you come in. So I'm done with the chalkboard paint. We also are chalkboarding the grandbaby's table, so we can give it some new life for him to sit and learn. So anyway, I'm trying to use it up. So basically, I painted the napkin holder, I painted the little tag, and I painted the numbers to give it enamelware farmhouse shabby chic feel. And this is going to look cute outside because my color scheme out back is going to be pink, white, black, and wood accents. So very, very, very romantic. And here I am showing you my distressing method number 1. You just take your fingers, dip it in paint, and just lightly, go over the whatever you're using, whatever you're doing with the black paint, and it gives it that distress feel that enamelware has. So anyway, y'all, this was cute. I love it. And I can't wait to, put these things to purpose. I also did Mod Podge over these because I know it's going to be outside. I wanted to protect it a little bit. Okay. Next, I had the cardboard piece that came with my doily set. And I've been saving it all this time because I knew I could do something with it other than throw it in the landfill. So I took a plate and roughly sketched out a circle, cut it out, and I painted it white. And then I took those same numbers, painted them black, took them and assembled them on this and made a faux farmhouse clock. I know, y'all. These ideas just be running around in my head. Now, the funny part to this is, here's my distressing method number 2. I just took a pencil while the paint was wet and I drew the lines to make it look like shiplap. And I did not do it in any particular fashion. Y'all know how I am with these crafts because I already know this stuff is going outside. It's going to be used for a season and that's it. So I don't get too consumed with much of anything, to be honest. But I think it's so cute. And then I put it on top of a hyacinth charger. And I thought this was cute to use as a charger. I thought it was cute to use just as a prop to hide my outlet cover. So yeah, I love it. And then next I want to show you, my daughter ordered some Be Green. That's the name of the product. It's called Be Green. She ordered some reusable bags so that we can pack up our fruit and vegetables and things very neatly. So I cleaned out the fridge. Does anybody else store their paint and paintbrushes in the fridge? Let me know if you do that trick. I totally do, and I'm showing you here. So I took everything out, adjusted the height of the refrigerator. These bags come in plenty of sizes. What I like about this, you can wash them. You can take them with you. So you don't have to use the plastic bags and bring all of that plastic home. And they just look neater. So I like that look. I thought that was really cute. I'm glad my daughter picked those up. And it made you kind of want to eat a little cleaner. Like you just want to eat more healthy now. So anyway, it was the perfect day for these to arrive because my daughter had went to the store and decided we were all being vegan this week and picked up a bunch of fresh produce, and I'm packing them up, and I decided to clean out my refrigerator. Now, I would like to do a refrigerator makeover where you actually showed like the cleaning, the liners and everything, but they didn't have the liners that I wanted in the Dollar Tree, but they did have the placemats, so I picked up 2 bright placemats and put those down. It's easier to wash them than have to wash your refrigerator out and have your refrigerator stained with different spills, because if your family's like my family, they definitely spill stuff in the fridge. But when it was all said and done and I adjusted the heights, which I think I'm going to order another ledge, the wire rack, or pick it up if they have them in Home Depot or whatever. And my grandson Tyshawn said, "It looks nice, Dana." And then I washed it down and I am done for this little makeover project. I'll see y'all next time because my furniture applique molds, they are on their way. So I'm going to go back and revisit that window seat and show you how I do that project. And then I promise I'm going to get to this fireplace. Talk to y'all soon. Have a great day.